Hi, I'm Yuna. Today I'm excited to show you the easiest, delicious, and nutritious toast. Very popular, salty, and little bit of sweet egg sandwich. I mean, you're gonna like walk in Korea and walk down the street and you're gonna see so many like food trucks. Every single food truck sells this. The main ingredient here is our cabbage and our carrots. And it's about that much. I love cabbage so much. It's like easy to work with. It's so good for you. All in all, fantastic. Carrots too. Cut this into. Okay, so I have my vegetables ready. That's about it. So, all right, crack a couple of eggs. So just whisk our eggs like this. Okay, so let's season our eggs with salt and pepper. I would say about a half teaspoon each, because that's where the main flavor is gonna come from. And a little bit of sugar, not a lot. I would say about a pinch. So into our egg mix, just gonna throw in our vegetables. That's it, guys. So simple. So literally, just make sure that it's all blended in nicely. So add that in. Oops, I almost forgot. Our green onions. So our green onions also cut this into thin slices like this. Okay, so once that's in, throw that in there as well. So it's a good way to use up all your vegetables in your fridge, in a way. But these are the typical vegetables that the street vendors will use. So make sure all that is mixed in nicely. All right, ready? Yes, we are. Heat our pan and goes in our butter. About a couple tablespoons of it. And okay. So you should probably use your white bread. And then while that's melting, I'm going to butter our toast so generously. And make sure you use a salted butter. It'll save you some salt. All right. So butter's melting beautifully. I'm gonna increase our heat because we are crunching here. So another trick that I do is, so I have, one side all buttered up, and of course we need two sides. So I'm going to go ahead and just add it on and put some onto both sides like this. So once I have this ready, give it another nice mix here. So you're looking for like a square shape, okay? Okay, so put that in. Okay, what I like to do is I try to see if it's gonna fit. So it's obviously really big. You can also fold this in half. I'm going to cut this in half, how about that? Okay, now I can work with this. Same here. Perfect. Now, make some room next to it, because this is how they make it on like a griddle. We're gonna put in our buttered up toast. Oh yeah. Do we have room? Another advice. And while the bread's cooking nicely, our bread, I think it's toasty. Looking good, looking good. So about a couple tablespoons of ketchup, about a couple tablespoons of mayo, so basically 1-to-1 ratio. Who would have thought? And it sounds and smells like our toast is ready. Guys, we're done just like that. Oh yes. So our toast goes in. Just going to pour in our mix, spread it in the middle, because as soon as I put our egg mix on top, it'll spread nicely for me. Adam just reminded me of using American cheese. I'm going to, since I already divide the eggs into two, I'm going to put one cheese in the middle, like this, and then another one right on top. How about that? And then, just put the cream on right on top here. They turn things around so fast. It's unbelievable. So just like that, you guys, I see the cheese being already melted. Oh my God, it smells so good. The melted cheese all mixed in together, sandwiched in between our egg sandwich filling on top of buttery. I just wanted to bring some Korean street dishes to you today. I hope you enjoy this. And if we're not connected on Instagram, I am at Yuna Cooks. And also, every Tuesday I upload a new video. So I can't wait to see you at your next favorite recipe. See you soon.